Hi guys, it's Labs. My name is Fro, and today we're gonna talk about what we all love, what we all are looking for, some guaranteed gains, some guaranteed profits from a land sale drop. But before this video starts, I would like to ask you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot, not in the future, and if you subscribe, you're just sure that you won't miss any cool, interesting upcoming projects. Let's go. Everything here is quite simple. So we got a lottery. It's already a third phase of their sale. All what we have to do is buy $1. For $1 we get one ticket a day, and the minimum is $100. So in order to be eligible for land sale lottery, we need to deposit $100 tokens first. It's about $85. So we just deposit them, we're staking our tokens, and then we're waiting for the lottery to finish. It's about like 3rd or 4th of April, and then we're receiving tokens. No, we're receiving a ticket, sorry, and if we lucky enough, we get one plot of land. And now and this is like about $85, I believe. $100, $85, and now I'll show you why is this guaranteed gains, guaranteed profits, and why you need to accumulate as much money as you can in this drop, which is going on a secondary market NFT trade, very famous marketplace. We got verified collection. So floor price here is 2.95 BNB. You can check out lows to highs. I don't know what's happened with this images, but as we all can see, this is a huge gain for us, because in there we only winning ticket cost us, one plot sale cost us like $85, and price on the secondary market is 2.95 BNB. It's around $1,280. So it's about like X13 or X15 just from one plot of land. I think this is just crazy, and this is the sale everyone needs to be participated in. And of course, this is just a nice collection. This is just a nice game. I really love it. They got a huge audience. Their audience is kind of lovely, and I was talking in my previous video about this game, and I just really love it. I think this is one of the best drops like in the nearest future. Absolutely the same situation we saw in Mavia land NFTs. There was only 1000 NFTs and only 0.4 ETH and 2 tickets per account, and it was so obvious for me. I told you guys that they will just skyrocket. On the secondary market, the price for them was 0.8, so this was just a free profit and easy gains. And what do we see now? We see that if you lucky enough, you can get a 0.9 ETH, so just double your money, get yourself like about $1,000+ easy profit. And for now, of course this is late, of course you need to be lucky enough and other things, but now in Mines of Dalarnia we got kind of same situation that we all can earn just right now, and just pray for us to get our tickets, just like lottery tickets, so they win. So my recommendation for you guys, because it's a nice project with lovely audience, with a huge audience, you can check out their socials as well. You can check with everyone. You can check the demo of their game, the demo of their new game. There's no games like that in the crypto sphere, in the blockchain sphere. There's only like kind of farm games, browser games, which is you clicking two buttons, or AAA games, but for them we have to wait for another like a couple of years or month or something like that, and we're still waiting for Illuvium. I don't know why anyone have invented these kind of indie games, which is interesting, that you can earn on, which is requires from you some skill, and this is one of them. And I think not one, this is the only one. So yeah, my recommendation for you guys is to accumulate as much cash, as much money that you can in this drop, and try to participate as hard as you can. The only thing you can lose money here is on course, but I think this token is kind of lovely, and we got upcoming launching of this game, so I don't think they will really fall a lot when you are staking them. And another kind of, this is not red flag, but they don't have any limits for one account for amount of tokens, so probably the whales will take the most of the tickets. But still guys, you and me can try to participate, and if we're lucky enough, win ourselves a lot of money. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share a link of this video to your friends, and make sure you participate in this drop. Good luck.